The channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. If you're tired of studying and not seeing progress, you're in the right place. I've created easy lessons that take you step by step, starting from the basics and moving up. We'll focus on key areas like grammar and listening, both super important to help you understand and speak English naturally. This video is part of a series of lessons. So if you have been learning with me or one of my teachers, it's a great way to review what you've already covered in class. Whether we're working together on one-on-one, in a group, or you're starting with one of my teachers, these presentations help you keep practicing and keep making progress. Think of this video as a tool to review the lesson, a way to go over the material again and again to actually make it stick. This way of learning really works. You'll start to understand and speak English with more confidence. So just stick with it, keep practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. And if you want even more practice, you can find exercises on my website at davidenglish.info that go perfectly with these lessons to help you learn faster. Let's get started. At this point, remember, do and be are the two most important verbs in English. You have to know them. So they're used to explain that something is permanent and the situation is permanent, and it's used for describing a general fact. Also, your habits, your routines, and events happening daily. So if we look at the verb be, here's some examples of the form for first person. I am tired, not I tired. I am tired. You are busy. We are relaxed. Okay? And for the first person for do, you say, I cook dinner. You exercise regularly. We visit family. Notice here there's no ing. With the verb be, remember we have here tired, busy, relaxed. Those are adjectives describing the subject. Third person, she is tired or he is tired. We're using is. Alex is busy, for example, that's a he. So we're saying Alex is busy. It is sunny. You're describing the day. It is sunny outside. But for third person, remember, for she, he, and it, we're going to be adding the S on the verb. So here are some examples. She cooks dinner. He cooks dinner. Alex exercises regularly, not Alex exercise. You have to put the S there because it's Alex, which is a he or a she. And it works well. We're talking about a machine here. It works well, not it work well. So let's practice here. Directions. Complete each sentence using the correct form of do or be. Remember, do and does, or am, are, and is. At this point, you can stop the video and take a notebook and write down your answers with a pencil or pen. This will help you get better. And then you can start the video and you'll see that I will go over the answers. Or after that, you can just, or another option is you can just listen to me, okay? So let's get started. Number one, what you want to eat for dinner. At this point, we have to remember that we can ask questions with do. So we want to say, what do you want to eat for dinner? 2, why are you always so busy on weekends? We have the word busy. It's an adjective. I'm going to go with why are you always so busy on the weekends? 3, how she feel about the new project. The word feel is a verb. So I'm going to say, how does she feel about the new project? 4, She very good at math. Now, good is an adjective, so I'm going to say she is very good at math. 5, it's always cold in winter. Cold is also an adjective, so I'm going to say it is always cold in the winter or in winter. Guys, thank you so much for making it this far. Please give me a like, give me a small comment, and also hit the bell. This will help the channel grow. The more you give back, the more you're going to get. That's the way the world works, right? Now, 6, we not go to the gym every day. Go is a verb, so I'm going to say we do not go to the gym every day. 7, it's always cold in winter. Cold is an adjective. We have to use a form of the verb be. I'm going to go with it is always cold in winter. 8, your brother work at the bank. We can see that there's a verb here with no ing. Work, we're going to use a question form. We're going to say, does your brother work at the bank? Not do. We're saying does because it's your brother, which is he. 9, I not have a car. Have in English is actually a verb. So you want to say, I do not have a car. 10, she very good at math. This is a positive sentence. We have the word good. So you want to say she is very good at math. 11, who her best friend. At this point, we have best friend, which is a person. And we know that after the verb be, it's followed by a person, place, or thing. So I'm going to say, who is her best friend? 12, you need help with your project? I think this is a direct question, so I'm going to say, do you need help with your project? Because need is a verb too. 13, why he always late? Late is an adjective. Why is he always late? 14, your sister good at playing piano. We have the word good. I'm going to say here, is your sister good at playing piano? Because good is an adjective again. 15, she enjoy reading mystery novels. We're using the word enjoy. In general, does she enjoy reading mystery novels? So it's does she enjoy reading mystery novels? And let's continue. We got 5 more and then you're almost done. 16, what John usually eat for breakfast? Eat is a verb. There's no ing. I'm going to go with what does John usually eat for breakfast in general? 17, what your favorite brand of coffee? Well, favorite brand is a thing. So I'm going to say, what is your favorite brand of coffee? What is your favorite brand of coffee? Everyone tell me. Let me know. I want to know. 18, why they never visit us? Visit is a verb. Why they never visit us? What do you think? Why do they never visit us? Why do they never visit us? They must visit more often. 19, Emma not a student anymore. It's negative. And we have student, which is not a verb. It's a person. So you want to say Emma is not a student anymore. 20, how much time you spend on this task? We have the word spend, which is a verb. I'm going to go with how much time do you spend on this task in general? At this point, let's try. You could tell me about yourself a little bit and what you do. Try to do it for 60 seconds. Give me an example about what you do. Tell me about yourself and what do you do? So let me try. I'm an English teacher. I'm 37 years old. I have 3 beautiful children and I have a full-time job. I teach English full-time. This is the only thing I do. What about you? Let's see how long you can speak for. That was 30 seconds. Go for 60 seconds and push yourself so that you could become the best speaker out there. Here's the answer key. I'm going to read off the answers to you. You can listen, use your listening skills. See if you understand me. 1. What do you want to eat for dinner? 2. Why are you always so busy on weekends? 3. How does she feel about the new project? 4. She is very good at math. 5. It is always cold in winter. 6. We do not go to the gym every day. 7. It is always cold in winter. 8. Does your brother work at the bank? 9. I do not have a car. 10. She is very good at math. 11. Who is her best friend? 12. Do you need help with your project? 13. Why is he always late? 14. Is your sister good at playing piano? 15. Does she enjoy reading mystery novels? 16. What does John usually eat for breakfast? 17. What is your favorite brand of coffee? 18. Why do they never visit us? 19. Emma is not a student anymore. 20. How much time do you spend on this task? For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts. I'm on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and all that. And please check me out at davidenglish.info. You're going to just improve significantly. Let's get started. Bye for now. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.